shibenta ban Kyntiew ya kayo kakot ki Longkmie bat ka jingtip kumno ban la ban Shet bat penmi ikijat jingbam nala kijong kirim peying bat kamariang saudong saukun bengim don kamthan ban shanya ya kita kijhur banabar ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society mentara sengi ka shpau terik risau ka Pynlong ya ka Jingiakop Shet balawan ban shimenta de ki shpau ngut kinong shimenta na ka thmei bayar CLF Women SHG Multipurpose Limited umsning kabadon ru kumba laipu artali kishnong bat kani kadai ka jingsedang bat ka thong jong ka office u deputy commissioner ka riboy lingba ka nutrition pilot project hakani ka sngi lawan ban sakhilang do Abilash Baranwal deputy commissioner ka riboy haka jingadon lang uba emer thong BDO ka umsning sin adi block ka Samla bala Kyntiew nongrum nutritionist ka civil hospital nongpo ka kong amedaki lalu ka badai ka nong Shet bapauna ka Johan Marak dietitian ka nongpo civil hospital lamba kiwe ki Longkmie na ki SHG bapher ki bahap akatay ka cooperative society. Wabilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka riboy habakran na kani kasngi uloong bakajing tumu baro jong ni ka program ka long banyo ikijing bam taymet na mar kayo ka kot kajing nang jing start baro ka sedang na kajing kot jing kya na mar lada ubriu umdon kamet ka bakot bakya kalong ka ba yu ubriu ba un kiu shaprang day halor kani ka phang kum ka office UDC kalas dang ye kani ka project namar kumbala sakhi ha kini ki khindiat snam bala letno bon ni ki briu ki kentat ye jing bam taymet ki bala banyo tang na ki kper ki pra lajang
Meghalaya, in terms of malnourishment of children, in terms of stunting is basically when children are not able to reach their natural heights. In terms of stunting, in terms of malnourishment, in terms of wasting is when a child is growing tall, but is too frail and thin that it will be difficult for him or her, the child, to to perform normal bodily functions. Meghalaya ranks amongst the bottommost states of this entire country. And it's not the poorest state. The poorest states are doing better than Meghalaya. And the government of Meghalaya is putting a lot of focus on nutrition. However, what has been observed over the years is that gradually people have also started ignoring the traditional nutritious ingredients that are found within their locality, in their vicinity, as a result of which nutrition has taken a backseat. For good or bad reasons, it's a necessity only, nevertheless, the impact that NFSA had, the free ration, the free rice has had, is that millets have taken a backseat, and it's only rice-based meals that have come into picture, not just in rural areas, even in urban areas, as a result of which the nutritious elements, the vitamins, the minerals, the proteins, iron, they have vanished from the meal. So the entire idea of this project is to have a pilot project where we are trying to show through the people only that nutritious components have to be included within the daily meals of the families, and especially the elements which are not very expensive to have as well. So before this, a lot of homework has been done. We have collaborated with NEHU where they have identified where all these components, their nutritional content has been analyzed, has been recorded, documented, and accordingly, the overall emphasis of the project will be to make nutrition a household subject. That whenever VO meetings are being organized, whenever VHC meetings are being organized, whenever VC meetings are being organized, whenever donbosco meetings are being organized, nutrition is an aspect that everyone must discuss. And why nutrition is important? Why do we want that nutrition is an aspect that everyone must discuss? I have recently become a father. My son is
Thank you.